Hey guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be telling you 10 different ways to use an aloe vera gel. So let's get started. So guys, number 1 is to use it as an ice cube. Rubbing aloe vera ice cube on your face will not only increase the blood circulation around the face, but it will also help to glow your skin, brighten your skin, and instantly give you a plumping effect. Guys, number 2 is to use it as an iPad. While this is settling in, I'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and I will use it under my eyes or over my eyes basically. Now applying the cold aloe vera gel on the cotton and applying it on your eyes will help to calm down your eyes, reduce puffiness around your eye area. So guys, number 3 is to set the brows. What I did is actually mixed a little bit of brown eyeshadow with aloe vera gel and add a little bit of eyeliner to make it a little bit more black. So now I'm going to take this spoolie brush and this. Guys, number 4 is to use it as a body shimmer or body highlighter. What I did is just mix a little bit of aloe vera gel with a little bit of scraped highlighter, and here's the concoction. Just taking tiniest bit on my finger and applying it. What will happen is the aloe vera gel will get absorbed into the skin and leaving the highlighter to beam. So when you will go out in the sun, your body will shine. So guys, you can totally use it under the full coverage foundation as it will give a glow underneath, a glow from within. So guys, number 5 is to use it in replacement of setting spray, or you can totally use it as a face mist or body mist. I just made this by mixing 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with around half cup of water, and what I did is just refrigerate it to make it cooling. Or you can totally use it where you have itchiness or redness. You can totally use it after you have done waxing. It will calm down your skin. I'm gonna use it on my face now. Voila. If you are outside in the office and your skin is feeling a little dull, you can totally keep it in your bag and use it when you feel like, and it will instantly brighten your skin and will not smudge your makeup. Guys, number 6 is to use it as a sleeping pack. Take a little bit of aloe vera gel on your hands and apply it all over your face. And what it will do, if you have acne, it will help to fight the bacteria that causes acne, or it will reduce the redness, or if you have itchiness on your skin or flaky or dry skin, it will help to overcome that problem. So guys, number 7 is to use it as a primer. What you have to do is just take a little bit of aloe vera gel, apply it on your face and let it set for 2-3 minutes, then apply foundation over. You will have a better base. So guys, number 8 is to use it as a hair mask. What you have to do is take a little bit of aloe vera gel, mix it with curd, apply it on your hair and leave it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, then wash it with a mild shampoo. What it will do is it will get rid of damaged dry hair, it will get rid of dandruff and get rid of infections that you have some itchiness. Keep your hair healthy and frizz free. But here's the condition: you have to use this pack twice a week for at least a month to know the difference in your hair. So guys, number 9 is to use it in a DIY. You obviously, aloe vera gel is such a good ingredient. It can be used in any DIY. For it can be used by any skin type, whether you have dry, oily, combination, acne prone skin, sensitive skin. So guys, coming back to the today's DIY, what you have to do, take 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of milk if you have dry skin, or 1 tablespoon of curd if you have oily skin. And number 10 is to use it as a body scrub. What I did, I melt I had a tiny soap from Khadi. I just bought the bigger pack and just melted down, add a little bit of aloe vera gel, add 1 tablespoon of I add 1 tablespoon of crushed sugar, and I just formed it in this mold. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see the pattern because my camera sucks. This is what it looks like. What it will do, it will exfoliate your skin. What aloe vera gel will do, it will moisturize your skin, because sometimes when we exfoliate, all the natural oils present in the skin wash off from exfoliation. What aloe vera gel do is moisturize it again. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you like these 10 different ways to use aloe vera gel. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Bye.